की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kelemi kejunga pen ibor bat kejunga Shah yadat hapa dengan Dkhot jang trade union leaders bat Dkhot jang Student Congress bat kena gelaja Hanazal Bari kepada Darjeeling jang Jela West Bengal hakapor bat kenhon jang trade union kapenlong jang ki keni kejunga ken art kelemi hakapor bat kenhon jang ginong khayi kiat Paidbah Surok hakajunga shimbenta jang ki hakabarat ban Ka sorkar kelapen biang ki pulet kanang bagi nong ki kin om penthot di kayat ke yang ki Paidbah hendre ki nong ki kila Khang Lynti ya ka Surok bagi Lynti kila Dkhot lon Ka TMC ke persya ya ke niga Bharat ban West Bengal bat kila kentu ya berok ki nong tre sorkar bagi de benwan sejing tre berka sorkar kelapen biang ru daki bos naga benta jongki kanang bukan om syakta ke ya ke yang jongki Ke TMC ke babat ya ke Borsen Shah West Bengal nada usnam arja khatway harut menta kalau ong bala da ailat ya ke jing Khang Surok kan kata bahai ke yok kot ki Paidbah kumta kam kershan satya ka kinu jigish pot ligi trade union kala saibre ban mi Shah Surok manishim menta hakane ka ban persha ke jing ke dor ki mar ki mata ban persha ke jing mamyok kam yok jam bat ki wepat ki man
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.